Well, the suspended SARS Commissioner's legal representative, Advocate Dali Mpofu, has requested that the inquiry into the South African Revenue Services be halted entirely, pending the outcome of Tom Moyane's internal disciplinary hearing at SARS. Mpofu slammed the inquiry today, which was underway in Pretoria, calling it a kangaroo court. The Commission is probing tax administration and governance issues at the Revenue Service, which took place under Moyane's leadership. Retired Judge Robert Nugent will make a ruling on Monday afternoon about this latest submission.
Retired Judge Robert Nugent has said it is concerning that suspended SARS Commissioner Tom Moyane is facing 2 inquiries. This comes after Advocate Dali Mpofu slammed the Commission, saying it's prejudiced and unfair towards his client. He added that the witness selection is made up of disgruntled employees and their submissions should be scrapped off the roll. Mpofu also made submissions that Professor Michael Katz should recuse himself from the panel, saying his relationship with President Cyril Ramaphosa compromises Katz and will further prejudice the inquiry against Moyane.
Let's say, for argument's sake, Professor Katz was appointed to act as a judge in the High Court. His professional and ethical duty, if one of his clients happened to be a litigant while he was acting as a judge, would be for him to recuse himself. And we're saying similarly here, in a process which is intended to be impartial and independent, he should similarly recuse himself.
Moyane's legal team believes he should be afforded the opportunity to rebut the allegations leveled against him by being present at the public hearings. The team says Moyane has been discriminated against, asking when will he be given the opportunity to testify. Moyane's legal team claims he was only informed of his invitation the day before.
The evidence was taken in the absence of the Commissioner, so the Commission itself must start afresh, and Mr. Moyane must be given an opportunity to be here on state-funded legal representation so that he is able to rebut their evidence. It's no good for him to listen to them on radio.
Retired Judge Robert Nugent has slammed Mpofu, saying he has not given evidence but questioned the processes of the Commission. This after Mpofu questioned the reasons for making Minister of Public Enterprises Pravin Gordhan the first witness.
One can build conspiracies, and the fewer facts you have, the more easy it is to build conspiracies. The more facts you have, the more difficult it is. It trammels you into what actually happened. But to build conspiracies requires few facts. And I suggest to you that when you're suggesting that there is some conspiracy about the witnesses were called, you might not have been aware of the facts that I've outlined to you, which might have influenced what you said, and you might have not said the same thing.
Thank you.
He further asked to submit a flash disk that proves the existence of a SARS rogue unit into evidence. However, Nugent did not accept it, saying it was not relevant to the day's proceedings. Mbalenhle Mthethwa, SABC News, Pretoria.